everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to scan a QR code on iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another content from us. You can easily use the built-in camera on your iPhone, your iPad or your iPod Touch to scan a quick response code or a QR code to get links to websites, apps, tickets, and much more. In order to do that, simply open up your camera app from your iPhone. Once you open up your camera app, make sure to select the rear-facing camera. Once you do that, go hold your camera screen towards the QR code. In my case, I'm going to place it right here on my Windows screen. Soon after you do that, your device will recognize the QR code and display a notification right beneath it. Tap on the notification and you'll be able to open the link associated with the QR code. That is how you can easily scan any QR code on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.